Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung garage door namin. But first, if you are new to my channel, my name is Rowena and I hope you subscribe, and if you like this video, please comment down below and hit that like button. And yan guys, so right now yung gagawin namin, we are going to sand in the garage door, and that's what my husband doing. So we are gonna keep doing until the garage door are fully smooth. So once na masang na namin yan, share ko na lang sa inyo later once na napinturahan na namin. So as of now, we are gonna keep sanding until it's done. Ayan guys, abangan nyo na lang kapag napinturahan na, okay? Guys, we are taking a break from sanding the wall. So punta muna kami ng Mcdonald para bumili ng lunch namin kasi it's time for lunch. So McDonald lang muna.
First, I'd like to get a quarter pounder meal, large, no salt fry, and Diet Coke.
What else for you?
No, then I also want a double quarter pounder meal, no salt fry, and a large Diet Coke.
Okay.
And then we have a coupon for a free medium cheesy bacon fry with a purchase of a large sandwich. Does those count as a large sandwich?
I believe so, yes.
Okay. So, like I said, we got
So would you just like the bacon fry on the side, or?
yeah, on the side.
Alright, what else for you?
That'll be it.
Alright, before the coupon, it's 2023. Thank you.
Guys, this is our lunch and dinner. How do you call that?
Dutch?
Oh, lunch? The cheesy bacon fries looks amazing. It looks so good. Guys, yan na yung video natin. It's just a short video, and if you enjoyed the video, please comment down below and hit that like button. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys!